Hello, today I'm going to show you how to scan virus on any file or any software before you try to install them on your computer or your laptop. And if you are using Apple Mac for now, then this video is also useful for you too. Because if you download any software or any file from non-official website, it's very dangerous for your computer. They can put their virus file or hacking tool in the software, and after you install their software on your computer, then the hackers will access your computer through their hacking tool, and they will attack you sometime, or steal your personal information, or do some things badly. So to protect your computer, or to keep your computer safe, then I think this video can be useful for you. Open your browser, and search for virustotal.com. And hit enter. Okay. Here's the website that you can scan all your files or your software. So now I'm going to scan any file on my computer. Just click on Choose File and select any file that you want to scan. As you can see, this file is unsafe. It has 2 virus files hiding inside. So we should not install this file on the computer, it's very dangerous. The hackers hide in their hacking tool in this file, and if you still try to install this file on your computer, then your computer will get attacked sometime. And for my recommend, just go to delete this file, and try to download again from the official website. Let's try to scan another file. Okay, as you can see, this file is clean, because I have downloaded from official website, so it's safe for our computer. Let's test another file. You see, I'm really scared to keep this file on my computer. It is full of virus, but it a kind of crack software, so we should stay away from crack software, and try to use official software, even you shared its license with your friends, but it's a big better than using crack. And if you try to install this kind of file on your computer, sometime it can make your computer slow down, or your computer will get error startup, or you will get stuck in any case while you are using. Okay, last but not least, we still have one more thing. You also can scan the website link URL too by click on URL and copy the link that you want to scan to paste here. Now, I go to find a link to test for you. Okay, now I found this link, so let's copy the link. Paste the link here and hit enter to start scan. And we scan this link to make sure this website link is safe. Okay, this website link is clean. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and give subscribe to stay with us for the next video. Thanks and bye for now.